Hi friends. Your wireless network adapter is missing on your Windows 10 PC? Don't worry. Although it is frustrating, you're not the only one to experience this issue. Many Windows 10 users have recently reported the very same issue. More importantly, you should be able to fix it pretty easily. Your wireless network adapter may be hidden in Device Manager. If you're not sure, follow the instruction below to show the hidden devices in Device Manager. Open Device Manager. In Device Manager, click View and select Show Hidden Devices. Click Network Adapters to select it. Click Action and click Scan for hardware changes. Double-click Network Adapters to expand the list. See if your wireless network adapter appears among the list. The built-in Network Troubleshooter in Windows 10 is a useful tool to resolve network issues. You can follow the instruction below to run the Network Troubleshooter. On your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and type Network Troubleshooter. Then select Find and Fix Network Problems in the list of search results to run the Network Troubleshooter. The Network Troubleshooter will automatically detect the network problems on your PC. You just need to follow the steps in the Network Troubleshooter and see if this issue can get fixed. Winsock is a programming interface and supporting program in Windows operating system. It defines how Windows network software should access network services. If its data went wrong, this issue may occur. In this case, resetting Winsock data may resolve this issue, because resetting Winsock data is helpful for dealing with some network connection issues. A missing or corrupted driver may be the root of this issue. Try updating the driver for your wireless network adapter to see if you can resolve it. There are two ways to update the driver for your wireless network adapter, manually and automatically. You can update it manually by going to the manufacturer's website and searching for the latest driver for your wireless network adapter. If you don't have the time, patience or computer skills to update your network driver manually, you can, instead, do it automatically with Driver Easy. You don't need to know exactly what system your computer is running, you don't need to risk downloading and installing the wrong driver. And you don't need to worry about making a mistake when installing.